Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on Enterpryze Mobile Collect. I'm Archie with Enterpryze, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Mobile Collect application, how we can create our customers and manage them, how we can then create invoices and take payments on the fly. So without further ado, let's jump in. It's very easy to download the application. Simply search for Enterpryze or Mobile Collect from either the app or the Play Store, install it and open. You'll be able to log in with the same email address that you use for your web browser login, and we're greeted here in the home screen with our customer overview. And the first thing that I'm interested in doing is adding or creating a new customer. So let's go ahead and press plus and new business partner. Select our organization from the top. If you do have multiple companies that you are running, you'd have the option to add this customer into one of them of your choice, but I only have one, so I'll go ahead and select that one. Enter the card code and go ahead and add your customer name. If you'd like to, you can add additional details such as telephone number, email address. Further down, we can even add contacts for this customer or an address. This can be useful further down the line if you would like to, let's say, send an automatic email to the contact. If you'd like an address to appear on the PDF, all of this included here will send it on. I'm just going to keep this simple for now though. It's not requirement, so I'll go ahead and save this business partner. It'll take a second to save, and once it is, the next thing we're interested in is adding an invoice against them. So in this time, I'm going to come into the menu in the top left, and I'm going to press on Documents. We're interested in Invoices in the top middle, and from here I can press plus once more, select my organization, and I'm going to be on the Add Invoice screen. So go ahead and select your customer. You can give a search in the top right to look for the one that you just created. And then from here, I'm just going to add a due date. Today will be fine. If you would also like to add references or remarks, you can do so there. I'll keep things simple once more and just add some lines. Select your item or search for them in the list and go ahead and enter the quantity for your item. I'm going to press finish to add that and take me back to the document, and we just have an invoice in this case with a single line with 10 items on them. The price has been pulled through automatically, you can see, and I can go ahead and either save this as a draft or actually submit the document. These applications are both offline and online capable, so if for whatever reason you don't have internet connection, you can always save it as a draft and come back and upload later when you do regain connection. But for now, let's go ahead and submit and actually push through this official invoice. It will ask me here if I'd like to send an email with confirmation to the customer, but we'll see it load in here my new invoice, and I can open this up and view all of the information. And ultimately, I want to come down and take collection on this. So I can select pay. If I'd like to do a partial payment instead, I can come in and reduce the amount that we're paying here. But I'll go ahead and press OK. And now I need to select the payment method. So the standard three for the system will be the bottom three that you see: cash, check, or fund transfer, which will allow you to take a basic incoming payment and close the invoice. But if you do have the Pay Now add-on, you will be able to select Pay Now, as you see here, and generate a QR code. Now, this is going to be a dynamic QR code that your customer can then scan. As soon as the funds are received into your UOB bank account, the payment will be closed. You will see a big green tick on your screen, and the invoice will be moved on. So that's everything from creating and managing our customers to creating invoices and going ahead and marking them for payment or collection. If you do have any other questions, please feel free to log on to the Help Centre, where you can find plenty of articles which will help you further and supply further reading. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.